Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood and Webull are commission-free trading platforms, but they cater to different investors. Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform designed for beginners, offering a user-friendly interface for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to invest in fractional shares, allowing users to start with as little as $1. While it is great for casual investors, it has limited research tools and basic charting features and lack advanced order types. Webull is a commission-free trading platform that caters to beginners and experienced traders, offering a range of advanced tools and features. It supports stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, though it does not currently offer fractional shares. However, Webull lacks access to mutual funds and bonds, making it less suitable for long-term investors seeking portfolio diversification. In my opinion, Webull is better for active traders needing advanced tools, while Robinhood is ideal for beginners seeking simplicity and fractional shares. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like video and subscribe. Goodbye.